I'm not here to lie to you or tell you that you're perfect just the way you are. If you were truly happy with how you look and how you carry yourself, you wouldn't be watching this. I'm here to give you the raw truth about why most men look worse than they should and what actually fixes it. It's not skincare trends. It's not motivational quotes. And it's definitely not just be confident. It's habits, bad habits. And the scary part is that most men repeat these habits every single day without realizing they're slowly destroying their appearance, energy, and presence. So if you're ready to hear it without getting defensive, let's start. Habit number 1. Constantly calling yourself ugly or unlucky. This is the foundation of the problem. A lot of men quietly believe they were born unattractive and there's nothing they can do about it. That belief kills effort before it even starts. When you see yourself as the ugly guy, you stop trying after a few days. You skip workouts. You stop caring about how you dress. You tell yourself it's pointless. Here's the truth. Most men aren't ugly. They're undisciplined. If you eat badly, sleep late, never move your body, avoid sunlight, and sit alone scrolling for hours, what do you expect? Attractiveness is built through habits, not genetics alone. The first fix is mental. Stop labeling yourself. Replace that label with action. Habit number 2. Being physically weak and inactive. No, you don't need a movie star body. But if your posture is bad, your energy is low, and your body feels fragile, it shows. Physical neglect changes how you walk, how you stand, how you speak, and how people perceive you. Movement is non-negotiable for men. Lifting weights, walking daily, stretching, push-ups, sports, it doesn't matter what you choose. Strength, discipline, and body control are naturally attractive traits. Even small effort changes how you look and feel. Habit number 3. Ignoring basic hygiene. This one destroys attraction instantly. Greasy hair, bad breath, body odor, dirty nails, unwashed clothes. It doesn't matter how good your face structure is. Poor hygiene cancels everything. The fix is simple and boring, which is why it works. Shower daily, brush and floss, wash your face, trim facial hair, wear clean clothes, use deodorant. Hygiene isn't extra work, it's maintenance. Habit number 4. Constantly touching your face and phone posture damage. Most men don't realize how often their hands are on their face, resting chin on hands, rubbing skin, picking at pimples. All that dirt and oil goes straight into your pores, causing breakouts and scars. On top of that, staring down at your phone all day destroys your posture. Forward head, rounded shoulders, weak neck. It makes you look tired, smaller, and less confident. Fix both by staying aware. Hands off the face, phone at eye level, chest up. Habit number 5. Eating like you don't respect your body. Fast food, sugar, late-night junk, eating while scrolling. This doesn't just affect weight. It affects skin, hormones, energy, and aging. Many men eat to distract themselves, not because they're hungry. Use the 80-20 rule. Eat real food most of the time. Protein, vegetables, fruit, water. Enjoy junk sometimes, not daily. When food becomes fuel instead of comfort, your body and face respond fast. Habit number 6. Destroying your sleep with screens and late nights. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Miss it, and your face pays the price. Dark circles, dull skin, irritability, low testosterone, poor focus. Most men stay up scrolling, gaming, or watching content until 2 a.m., then wonder why they look exhausted. Fix your sleep schedule. Same bedtime, same wake time. No screens before bed. Do it for 1 week and look in the mirror again. Habit number 7. Dressing like effort doesn't matter. Style is not about expensive brands. It's about fit, cleanliness, and intention. Wrinkled shirts, dirty shoes, oversized or sloppy clothes send one message. You don't care. Men don't need a big wardrobe. They need a clean one. Fitted basics, neutral colors, clean shoes. Presentation is the first impression before your voice, before your personality. Habit number 8. Destructive nervous habits. Nail biting, skin picking, lip chewing, constant fidgeting. These habits come from stress and anxiety, but they visibly lower your appearance. Your hands, face, and body language are always on display. Keep nails short and clean. Replace nervous habits with movement or breathing. Control shows maturity. Habit number 9. Abusing caffeine to survive. Coffee and energy drinks aren't the enemy. Dependency is. When caffeine replaces sleep, your face becomes puffy, tired, and dull. No grooming routine can fix what overstimulation does. Limit caffeine. None late in the day. Energy should come from sleep, food, and movement, not constant stimulation. Habit number 10. Living indoors like a vampire. Many men spend entire days inside. Work, phone, screen, repeat. No sunlight, no fresh air. This destroys mood, hormones, sleep, and skin. Go outside every morning for 5 to 10 minutes. Walk. Let sunlight hit your eyes. No phone. This simple habit changes your energy more than supplements ever will. Habit number 11. Poor social presence and disrespect. Attractiveness isn't only physical. If you avoid eye contact, stay glued to your phone, interrupt people, or lack basic manners, It shows immediately. Presence is attractive. Listening is attractive. Calm confidence is attractive. When someone speaks to you, be there fully. That alone makes you stand out today. Habit number 12. Living in constant stress. Stress shows on your face, posture, and tone. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which ages your skin, weakens hormones, and ruins sleep. Most men cope badly. Endless scrolling, porn, alcohol, junk food, toxic environments. Instead, slow your breathing. Inhale, pause. Inhale again, then fully exhale. 2 minutes. It resets your nervous system. Attractiveness isn't just genetics. It's habits, discipline, and how you carry yourself. Drop the habits dragging you down, and your appearance improves naturally. Here's your challenge. Pick one habit you know is holding you back and fix it today, not tomorrow. Today. Do it for 1 week and notice the change. Because nobody is attracted to perfection. They're attracted to effort. If this helped, subscribe.